Hello friends, Civil Quantity Insider by RG. Welcome to Practical Estimation and Costing Training Program. Today we learn how to work and make changes in multiple Excel sheets simultaneously. Here I have created multiple Excel sheets of similar formats. Now select the Control tab and select all the sheets. And we have seen in the top of Excel sheet the group 1, 2, 3, 4. We selected these 4 sheets. Now we have to do any work on these sheets. Here I insert the row and tap something civil work. This civil work reflect to all the sheets. Before end this task, select on any other sheet. Means we have to remove the group command. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.